What's up, budget crew? Welcome back. Got a quick video for you guys. I'm gonna be doing a taillight swap for the 2013 taillights. They should be a direct, just swap them out. So yeah, I'm gonna be I seen another video from BH underscore 5.3. He made those taillights clear by sanding the red half. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna try to do that. I'll link his video and I'll try to make my own video of like showing the process, I guess. But yeah, guys, let me swap these taillights out real quick and I'll be right back with the results. All right, so to remove this inner trunk taillight, you got two 10 mil nuts here, and then you pull this down and there's a third one in there. And then for the main tail light, I think there's like 4 of them or 3. So I got one right there. This one's broken on mine. And then we got a third one up top. And they're all 10 mil, so easy. Alright guys, so I got this left side in. One thing to note, be careful. It doesn't line up all the way. I mean, they do fit. And those bolts that you have to unscrew, they line up and everything, but the actual tail light itself, it sticks out just a little bit underneath right here. You see, it sticks out right there, and then the inner tail light doesn't completely line up with the groove, and it also sticks out just a tiny bit. But I was trying to push it in, you see it doesn't, so I was trying to push it in and I ended up cracking this right here. This is plastic. It's okay though, because you can actually remove this whole middle piece. You can take that out, but I'll probably just like try to plastic weld it or try to fix it up. But it does look nice, it's not that noticeable, but it does make a big difference in the rear of the Jenny. Look at that, and then let me show you guys the original right here. Yeah, so that was definitely a good upgrade right there. Let me install the other one and show you guys the full. All right guys, so this is how the taillights look. Really nice. Like I said, they do stick out on some corners. Let me show you guys. The top is fine, no issues here. On the bottom though, we do start getting some. Right here, still fine. Right here you can kind of see it starts to stick out just a little bit, but you can't really see it. The inner tail light, however, that one does stick out a little bit more on the inside right here. You'll be able to notice it, right? Oh, there you go. You see? But I mean, it's not that bad, guys. Maybe if we can probably switch out this center plastic piece. I know it comes off, so maybe if we take it out from the next generation, it'll fit a lot better. But for now, it's fine. That doesn't bother me. It looks nice. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Any of you planning on doing this? Like I said, I'm gonna try and make these into clear taillights. I feel like that would be so cool. Because this one doesn't match up all the way. I had to redo the clear coat on this one, and it doesn't line up it doesn't match up all the way. So I'm just gonna sand them all and make them clear. But yeah, guys, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that shit. Peace out.